Pia kamal ka Noor online TV channel ka jan gwasa me bayanong update ka kwiren yala dan en chi yakre which ka bintiu ka United State gwasa me roja dana cha kulat ke jan kortyang me en o ne ram en chicken ke men cho kostek de ken gwas mi chine ti choko jan dangro shig luten kone de kone shi liu kane jan dangro re yala dana shi yak ano nero ke Chinese ni ramkel e India nero to kokien ke Ugandan kane dangwel ngwan kene ne dangwel diech ne to ke South Sudanese eren yal dana ci yak wajen yak ko kortani ko kormen dang jok ke jede roda ke bintiu ke United State you know jen gwal dan en badne to tek dienten ke jen gwal dan liunaten you know en tam ka jen tok tiang me chala do shara me cha jen nang ge dwelwal ka juba jen shana shaga nen tene gwas me nang ka gwas mi ko ba jo moy ka wal ki ba do dan dong de re dan ci to ko je de jo re le keja cha jen kel ka ne ti jen dang ro den kontin ci liu re nyala mo cha re nyala me je chubre which ka United State cha ne den kono ci liu kana je ramadan ci te karwa de ko ram jen do ni survivor ka jen plan mo kire nyala mone ki cargo dan ci yak ko kor tan chang dar dan ano jen karwa de ci kenani ka jiram dan nan kare wi ki juba kane ti chop ka jen dangro de kono ci liu ne me jen dan inshallah entiane ne me Unity State plane crash solo survivor airlifted to Juba. The only surviving passenger of the Unity State plane crash, Makir McCoy, has been airlifted to Juba for further medical attention. Makir, a construction engineer with Jipoch, sustained injuries to his arms and legs but is in stable condition. Initial report indicate that 2 passengers are survived, but it has not been confirmed that 20 people died in the crash, leaving Makir as the sole survivor. The body of the deceased are also being transported to Juba this evening. This is a message that I received from the people that reported it. So again, I need to work on more. And we shall Makere jan ramlet la construction engineer ka jan gwa petroleum ngona mo ki gwa le da mo jaram dana ci te karwa da ki jaram dana ci te ka bang ko be tek be janen re nen ci ko jan dang raw just like di lo ngama nana ci to re which ka United State ka bentiu ka jariak re nyal ne me men gore long gore jen o kenede kontin te ka South Sudan tin la jikuma tin te re nyal te pindien they can renal to dini to go they can cock shimwa need renal to diti need to ke all cargoes ngayon no 2040 renal one chike pen long chang men china survived in 2023 bono abenega 2022 wona pin kana togo ndi algor jen wode gunyu din de jegu kuma South Sudan ko shiriga me chadela talk gwaye jen la dana gor de nyaa yekel ene biata kamal ban jegum din bye bye